What is good, y'all? It's your boy AJB, the IMG, bringing you guys back another quick video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. Wanted to bring you guys a quick video to update you on the Miata build. So I have the Turbo Miata back. For those of you know, it is a NA 1.6 stock Miata that I've turned into a Flyin Miata Turbo, hopefully 200 wheel horsepower vehicle when it's done with the dyno. I've gotten the car back. I'm going to show you guys what the car looks like right now so you guys can just see everything, kind of see all the parts, just the full build list. And then I'll let you guys know what the next steps are with the car. I can let you know now. Essentially, I'm going to be taking the car, breaking the car in about 500 miles since it's got a fresh motor build that I just showed you guys in a recent video. And then after we've broken it in, there's a couple things that I've noticed on the car that I'll have just buttoned up by my boy Chris. And once he's done buttoning those things up, we'll throw the car back on the dyno, make some jam, make some nice power, and then we'll have a nice street car. We just need to update the probably the tires and a couple of things. But other than that, I think it'll be a fun car. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. All right, guys, here we are. You have my 92 NA6 Turbo Miata. It's got a Flyin Miata Turbo Kit on it. These turbo kits are pretty rare and pretty hard to find. They release them in such limited quantity, so getting them just takes a little while. You really have to wait for them to release them and get good timing. It took me a while, probably about 8 months to get this kit, so I'm just looking forward to actually finally getting this car, you know, on the dyno and having some fun with it. This is one of my favorite cars. So yeah, I'm excited to bring you guys a new car on the channel, show you guys this car, which has a little bit of power. Here, let me let this garage go down so I'm not talking over it. But yes, quick walk around on my NA6 Turbo Miata. It needs some, well, it has actually fairly new tires on it, but you know, I could use some bigger tires. We'll see. So I'll see how these ride with the power and go from there. But I mean, we still have to get on the dyno and make it past the dyno. The first shot didn't go so well, so we're hoping and crossing our fingers that we make it through the second shot, no problem. But let's pop this hood so I can walk you guys through the car. Let's turn it on a little bit. I did not bring my steering wheel, but I guess it doesn't matter. I can't really drive the car in boost anyway. I wouldn't really take it out right now. I need to take it out this week to go and drive it 500 miles. So I'll probably head down to Santa Cruz back and forth a couple of times with my friends so that, you know, we can just kill the miles relatively easily. And then I'll hit up my boy Chris, get a couple things buttoned up on the car. And once he's done buttoning those things up, we'll be able to put it right on the dyno. But no steering wheel, but it doesn't matter. Give it a quick start up. I can't go into boost, but I'll kind of give you guys, you know, show you guys what kind of sauce we got here. Ugh. All right, let's go. Bear with me, guys. It's a small car. All right, so let's go. All right, so we got our wideband over here. We've got our boost gauge over here. We have our short shifter right here. We've got a bunch of junk that we need to clean up. So a bunch of stuff will be cleaned up in this car, but it's just been sitting for a while, just getting worked on. But let's go check out and see what's under the hood. Do a tiny rev so you guys can hear. Not supposed to put it in boost, but give you guys a little sneak peek. All right. So this is it, guys. Now, as far as the build list goes, let's walk through that really quickly. We've got AWR sway bar brackets, a 4.3 Force and LSD diff, some 75W90 redline fluid for the diff. Here, let me actually turn this off so you guys can hear me a little bit better. But yeah, I said we've got AWR sway bar brackets, a 4.3 Torsen LSD diff, our 75W90 redline diff fluid, our wideband as I showed you guys, a Flyin Miata boost gauge in there as I showed you guys, my Flyin Miata Turbo Kit, stainless steel brake lines. I have Super Miata aluminum radiator that you guys can see right here. It's a huge radiator. New spark plugs, MT90 transmission fluid. Again, that's redline. This car's powered by an MS3 ECU, so Omega Square 3. ACT clutch, as well as ProLite flywheel. Aeromotive Stealth LP340 fuel pump. I've got some ID 1050X injectors. I have an auto tune ignition coil kit. I have an upshift light that hasn't been installed yet, some HP pads on the front and the rear, and some Paco Motorsport strong arms that also have not been installed yet. So again, a quick close-up look at the turbo GT2560R. Again, I think this will be a fun kit to run on the street because, you know, I don't need 500 horsepower in a Miata. You know, something that is able to run against most normal cars or everyday cars in the street. It'll be fun to kind of cruise around in, have my fun in, but also be able to find cars that are kind of in the same power bracket that are just simple dailies on the street. So hopefully we can grab some good content. If you guys liked the video, man, again, the next video of this car will be on the dyno, making some jam, making some power, man. You already know what it is. If you guys like the content, man, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the like button. It's free. Subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified when I drop more content, more videos. Yeah, look out for some more content on the way. Yeah, we're dropping more content in 2025. Looking forward to just building this channel. And again, thank you guys for your support. Catch you guys in the next video, man. Deuces.